In this video, you'll learn Clear App Cache on your Android phone in 2026 to fix slow apps, remove junk files, and improve overall performance safely. Open the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps, or sometimes it may appear as Apps and Notifications depending on your phone model. This menu contains a full list of all installed applications on your device. Now, either scroll through the list or use the search option at the top to quickly find the app you want to fix. For example, if an app like YouTube, Instagram, Chrome, or Messenger is running slow or crashing, select it from the list. After opening the app info page, tap on Storage. Inside this section, you will see two main options: Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache only. This will remove temporary junk files stored by the app that can sometimes cause glitches or take up extra space. It is very important to avoid tapping Clear Data unless you want to completely reset the app. Clearing data will remove login details, settings, and saved files, which means the app will start fresh like newly installed. Once you clear the cache, you can go back and repeat the same process for other apps that feel slow or unresponsive. Doing this regularly helps keep your phone clean, improves speed, and frees up small amounts of storage. By following these steps, your Android device will run smoother and apps will perform much better in everyday use.